Is $2,000 for a smartphone too much? Will Apple's upcoming foldable phone justify such a massive price tag? In today's video, we are diving deep into every aspect of this foldable iPhone, from its unique display to that one missing feature that might actually disappoint you. If you are an Apple fan, this video is for you. Let's get started. Friends, Apple is all set to launch its first foldable phone, which is currently the talk of the tech world with several rumors swirling around. This smartphone is shaping up to be a wide foldable device with a design that looks truly impressive and unique. Regarding the screen size, the folded display could range from 4 to 5 inches, and when you unfold it, it expands to about 7.8 inches, giving you that mini tablet experience. Under the hood, it is expected to be powered by the A20 Pro chipset running on iOS 27. Talking about the cameras, it's rumored to pack a 48 megapixel main camera and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide lens, though interestingly, there is no telephoto lens here. On the front, you'll get the signature iPhone dynamic island, along with a 24 megapixel front camera. For video enthusiasts, the rear camera might support up to 4K at 120 frames per second, while the front camera could support up to 4K at 60 frames per second. According to rumors, it will house a large 5,500 milliampere hour battery. Now, regarding the thickness, this is where it gets interesting. It will be about 5 millimeters when unfolded, and around 9.2 millimeters when folded. Finally, all of this premium tech could come at a price point of around $2,000. So would you spend $2,000 on Apple's first foldable phone, or would you rather stick to a standard flagship? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to The Mobile Meter for more tech updates.